Welcome to Grade 5 Science class. Today we're going to discuss about the tropical cyclones. Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, Teacher Mike.
Today's lesson is about tropical cyclones. Cyclone is formed when the LPA is accompanied by a strong wind. Cyclones generally form over the ocean. The cool air flows to take the place of the rising warm air, resulting to the air current spin. Okay, the eye. Eye is the center area of the cyclone as the wind spiral around. When the cyclone is formed over the tropics, it is called tropical cyclone. The tropical cyclone that occur in the Philippine Area of Responsibilities, or the PAR, develop into two areas. These areas are in the Pacific Ocean and in the West Philippine Sea. Take a look at the picture or the image. This is the PAGASA, or the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration. The PAGASA keeps track of the cyclones that enter the PAR, or the Philippine Area of Responsibilities. The cyclone that develops from the Pacific Ocean moves in a west to northwest direction, while the cyclone that originates from the West Philippine Sea moves in an east to northeast direction. So the classification of the tropical cyclone is according to the strength of winds. The degree of intensity. 1 is the tropical disturbance. Next, the tropical depression. Third, the tropical storm and the typhoon. The tropical disturbance, it is an isolated weather system with an apparent circulation. It is characterized by a poorly developed wind circulation. It is observed in the wet tropics and subtropics. Tropical depression is a weak low-pressure disturbance with a definite surface circulation. Tropical depression has a maximum wind speed of 61 km per hour. It is common in the equatorial region or the intertropical convergence zone, or the ITZZ. Tropical storm is the intensified tropical depression. The rotation of the tropical storm is more recognizable. Moderate tropical storm has a maximum wind speed of 62 to 88 km per hour, or kph, and the severe tropical storm has a maximum wind speed of 88 to 117 kph. Typhoon is an intense tropical cyclone. Intense tropical cyclone has a maximum wind speed of 118 to 220 kph. A typhoon is accompanied by a heavy rains and a strong winds. Okay, for our science trivia, the deadliest cyclone that entered the Philippine Area of Responsibilities rank 1 to 10. First is the Haipong in 1881 with 20,000 fatalities. Next is Yolanda in 2013 with 6,300 fatalities. Next is Uring, Pablo, Angela, Winnie, and then October 1897, Nitang, Sendong, and Trix.